In this series of basic algebra, I'll be talking about factoring basic numbers. So let's get started. For example, you're asked on your test that what are the common factors of 30? So whenever you hear the word factors, you are looking towards what numbers that when I multiply them, I get 30. Starting off, 1 times 30 gives you 30. 2 times 15 gives you 30. Because if you multiply 15 by 2, 2 times 5 is 10, 0, 1 goes on top, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so 30. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30. Outside of this, there are no other factors for 30. So to write your answer on what are the factors of 30, you go down the line, 1, 2, 3, 5, and then go up the line, 6, 10, 15, and 30. And right here are your factors for 30. Let's try another problem. What are the factors of 150? Again, when you hear the word factors, you're looking for numbers that when you multiply, you get 150. Starting off very basic, 1 times 150 is 150. Moving down, if you want to know is 2 a factor of 150, simply divide 150 by 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 1 is just 0. 0 comes down. 2 times 5 is 10, and 0. So 2 times 75 gives you 150. Doing it same way, 3 times 50 gives you 150. 5 times 30 gives you 150. Because 30 times 5, 5 times 0 times any number is 0, 3 times 5 is 15, so 150. 6 times 25 is also 150. And then 10 times 15 is 150. Anytime you see a number like 150, it's simply 15 times 10. The 0 just adds right next to it. So again, thinking of your factors, again, go down the line, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 10, and then go up the line, 15, 25, 30, 50, 75, and 150. And that right there are your factors for 150. Another example, let's say you're asked what are the factors for 37. Always start off very basic. 1 times 37 is 37. Now outside of this, I can't think of any numbers that if you multiply, you get 37. So in this case, my factors are going to be just 1 and 37. And that's it. We will stop right there. Last example, let's say you're asked 81. 1 times 81 is 81. 3 times 27 is 81. You can multiply 3 by 27. 21. 1 goes here. 2 goes on the top. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 81. 9 times 9 is 81. So when you write the factors, again, go down. 1, 3, 9, and then go up. I'm not going to write 9 again. I already wrote that. So I'll just write 27 and 81. And that's how you go back to doing factors using basic numbers. If you have any topics you would like me to cover, feel free to put them down in the comments and I will go over